Welcome to Freddie's channel. You haven't seen this one before. I had to put my safety goggles on for this one. And now we've got Play-Doh,
vinegar, and bicarbonate soda.
And bicarbonate soda.
And what are we going to make?
We're going to make a volcano. Takes a little time to get this out. There we go. And then do this. Then make it like a shape like that. Then put a hole in and then it's done.
Does that look like a volcano? Do we need to make it a bit pointier?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please need to make it a little bit pointier. A bit pointier.
A bit taller.
A bit taller, a bit taller, a bit taller.
And then a hole in the middle. Yeah?
Does that look like a volcano?
I think so.
Slowly add it, Mum.
Okay, so there's your bicarbonate soda and there's your spoon. You need to put the bicarbonate soda in the volcano. Do you need any more?
One tiny more bit. And then do that.
Lovely. Now what do you think you might need?
Salt and vinegar.
Ready?
Nice acting.
I think you might need some more vinegar in there, Fred.
Vinegar?
Why don't you put some more in? More vinegar, darling. This one. That's it. Let's pour some in.
Look! It's acting, guys, at home. There you go. See you on the next video.